What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna be seeing how to connect the PSN PlayStation uh, account with your Steam account. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So one thing you need to notice is that if you are new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. So the other thing is you must have a PlayStation game that can be linked with the PlayStation and PlayStation account. For example, the game can be Destiny 2. So here you guys can see that this game is free of course and that is available on the PlayStation as well. So if you download this game and you will be able to then attach your PlayStation account with the game. So this is how you guys can do it. So all you have to do is to follow these simple steps. Open up the Steam and launch the Steam client, then start a game that's post PSN linking, which is Destiny 2, and follow the in-game prompts to log into your PlayStation Network account. Authorize link, confirm and authorize the connection between PSN and Steam, and linking in-game specific and may require additional steps in certain titles. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this really helpful.